Hi everyone, my name is Rishad. Today is the 30th of June 2024 and I'll be going over can't remember the exact week's number, I'll put it in the titles, review of SPY front testing strategies, the day open, day close strategy. And without further ado, we can see that on the 24th we had a profit of $3,068.7, which is a 0.29% profit off of a sell signal. Then on the 25th we had a buy signal where we had another profit of $1,627.08, or a 0.152% profit after transactions. These are all after transaction fees, which are officially taken from Interactive Brokers. The 26th of June had a sell signal where we made a huge loss of $3,532.62, or a 0.336% loss. On the 27th, we had a sell signal which gave us a loss of $1,928, which is a 0.185% loss. And finally, we had a buy signal to end the week off where we made a 0.538% loss. So if we look here, our cumulative portfolio return went from 5.359% to 4.742%, and our alpha went from minus 8.228% to minus 8.793%. So that's all for this one. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you next time.